There we go. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to tonight's presentation. Thank you very much for taking the time, being here with us, and listening to what One For Me is all about. But before I get started, I was watching, just a little bit of news and stuff and just things that's going on in the world. And they're talking about AI and how AI is busy, you know, um, taking jobs away. The one specific thing I was looking at is which jobs are in danger. Now, I don't know if you have come across any of that or have asked yourself that question. Is my job at stake because of AI? Or where am I situated with regards to the future of AI? Is my income secured? But nevertheless, not just that. We're looking at a whole bunch of stuff in the world. We're looking at, the unemployment rate in South Africa that is huge. I don't know if any of you have seen on the G20, out of all the countries there, South Africa's unemployment rate was the largest, was the biggest. Okay. And, I feel for it. And I'm like, geez, man, there's something we should be able to do about it. Hence, I created One For Me. My name is Neil Slater. I'm the founder and developer of One For Me. I'm a software engineer. I'm in the network marketing industry now for 25 years, and I started building One For Me 2022. Already then, I wanted to put a system together to help people go from zero to earning something very quickly. But I wanted to add something that doesn't distract you from what you are doing because that is pointless. To me, that is like, to me, the whole new thing that we need to move into is building, um, building baskets of income generating products. Just give me a second quickly. I think that fan was making a lot of background noise. That's going to be a little better. So, in any case, you must be able to, without being distracted, build a brand that can create multiple streams of income. And that is why I looked at One For Me and why I was looking for a system that I can build that won't take away from what you are doing. I say, come, bring what you have. Let's add One For Me as a tool onto it. Now you've got your main product as the income generating product. Now what we do is you add a tool to it, One For Me, that works as an income generating tool. So now you don't just have this one product bringing in an income, you now have another one. We have to diversify. We have to look at ways to not work harder, but to work smarter. And oh my word, we are sitting at a precipice. We are sitting at a watershed moment where you're going to have to make the decision. How am I going to fill my basket? What am I going to put in my basket that's not going to overwhelm me, that's not going to make me work harder, but something that I'm going to be able to add that's going to give me an opportunity to make more money without distraction, without changing, without flip-flopping, without making people uncertain about what I'm actually doing, you know? So you need to develop your brand around these income generating products because you're going to need it. It's something we are going to need, and I cannot stress that more than that. What is One For Me? One For Me is it helps you turn your name into a brand and package your entrepreneurial efforts into one streamlined system. That is awesome if you can understand that. That is incredible. It helps you develop your brand. If you're in network marketing, you are your brand. You are the thing that people are going to resonate with and buy. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And how do you develop these three principles? You develop those three principles with your brand. One For Me helps you recognize what your brand is with some AI tools, with some AI guidance. It helps you. Then, not just that, it goes and it takes all your entrepreneurial efforts and it puts it into one streamlined system. It bringing everything you do together under a single unified brand and turning that same effort into multiple streams of income. It's a simple, my word. One for me is such a simple concept, but it is so powerful. It's got a couple of powerful combinations put together that is that is a huge asset to you and your business that you're currently doing. It is simple, a powerful way to build your presence, to connect with people, to grow smarter, not harder. And as a leader, it creates unity and duplication. So we've got a couple of leaders in our team that go and they like recommend it to their teams. They say, yeah, look at this. I recommend it. I recommend that we all start switching on to this so that we can sing from the same page. Look unified. And then when we bring people in, all they do is they see what we do and they do what they see. They see we are building this business, ABC, but they see that we use One For Me to build this business. What are they going to do? They're going to get One For Me and they're going to do it the way you do it. Okay, helping everyone stay consistent and move forward together. Let me just quickly go through. I'm going to show you just a quick demonstration of One For Me, and then we're going to move on. Just quick. So here we can see, has that screen changed? There we go. This is One For Me. One For Me is a one-pager website with a link in bio field. So you can see that this is my default page. If anybody ever asks me, tell me more about what you do, I send them our One For Me business page. If anybody tells me, send me more information, guess what? I send them my One For Me business page. So anybody asking me anything about what I do, I send them my One For Me business page. Because on my business page, I've got a small little bio. I have a link that shows two quick videos that you can watch, with a little bit of wording there. And then it's got there a button. I tell them, listen here, go through the two videos that you see on my page. Then you'll see there is a chat button where you can click onto that, and that takes you directly to my WhatsApp, and you can ask me any questions directly. Then there are other ways to get in touch with me. There's links to my social pages. You can go and watch me on social media, everything and all of that. Get a feel of what I do, see what I do your due diligence, but then come. If you're serious about this, I'm going to take your hand and I'm going to show you how to build a brand that builds multiple streams of income. But if you're not, it's cool. Move on and look for the next thing. But here we go. And then you will see right at the bottom of my page is a button. And that button takes you to the welcome screen. Now, I hope that I've logged out, and I have. So there we go. There's the welcome screen. You just click on Get Started Now. Once you click on Get Started Now, you go and you select a username. Type in your username, and then you register. You've got 7 days free that you can use the system, look at it, see what it's all about. And within 7 days, you've got to make a decision which way you're going to go. And I'm going to talk about that later on. Okay, but once the person logs in, they sign in, this is not quite exactly what they're going to see, but they're going to see some steps where they are going to be able to follow. Step 1, get a profile picture. Step 2, go choose a network marketing company. Which is your network marketing company? And remember, we've got templates for 10 different network marketing companies. I don't have the list with me right now. Maybe it'll be a good idea to in future put it on there. But like for example, Live Good, Save Club, Momentum Tech AI. No, I don't have that one. I'm busy building with that one. Sorry about that. I've got Kaya Connect. I've got Bitcoin I've got Herbalife, Dew Point. What is the other one? Affiliate Mentor, Acorn Kids, and then obviously one for me. Those are the template pages that I have. So you can go choose network marketing company, go and put in your referral code or whatever you need to put in, and then go and say load page. and Bob's your uncle within 5 minutes. You've got a beautiful, professionally loaded business page that you can share with people. Within 7 minutes, you can get that done. Then it goes to the back. In the back, we have many other things. We have a wallet. But in the new system, that's going to change a little bit. So it's going to look awesome. I'll have that presentation ready next week. Okay, you have an AI prompt generator. This is in the pro version. Later, we're going to talk about the licensed version and then upgrading to pro. But in the pro version, the system generates a prompt every single day that you can copy and paste into a AI tool, like for example, ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever your preference is. And then once you click on, you paste it in there and you say go, then it will create a social media post for you based on your brand that you have put into the system. It's got all of that in there. It's got sharing, it's got a name list, it's got your business page. We've got getting started section, share you can go and view your shares and tracking. Select your network marketing company, watch your dashboard. So it is an entire huge system. I've got a lot of extensive training on it on our YouTube channel. Go over there and go through them, and then you can see what that is all about. Okay, so that in a nutshell is one for me. That's what it looks like, that is what it does, and that is how it can help you. Let's get back to the presentation. So this is where we're at the moment. We have a proven product. We pre-launched 1 September. We launched 1st of October. Within that period, we ran a free promotional period. We registered over 1,200 business pages. Then we introduced the license. We went over onto a license fee. And then from there up until now, we had the launch. We're going to launch a new system again now, a relaunch at the end of this month, 1st of December. It's very, very exciting. Keep your eyes on this page. Up until now, we've got over 1,800 business pages out there that people are using. People love the product. It is proven. It works. People use it to combine their companies, to combine their businesses, and to showcase what they are doing in a very professional way. We have strong leadership. We've got some powerful, good people leading. We now have the compensation plan. I've moved over from a linear to a binary matrix, which is an incredibly motivating and strong compensation plan in a network marketing company. And I am so glad that I saw that quick enough to be able to make that change. I'm almost done with it. This week is D-Day. At the end of this week, it's got to be up and running. And there we go. We're launching the new system on the 1st of December next week. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be awesome. It's going to explode. As more and more people get to know of One For Me, it's just going to grow every single day. Okay, so getting started. I told you you're going to have a choice. You're going to have a choice to either go onto the lifetime license. Now, the lifetime license, to activate your lifetime license, is 150 Rand once off. I'm running another promotion because that is actually 600 Rand at a discounted rate of 75%. So while that runs, you can come in with a license activation of 150 Rand. I don't know when I'm going to put that back up again, but that's what I'm going to run it at the moment. You also then have the option to upgrade to Pro. Pro has got a whole bunch of features, and we're going to go through that now, but that is a 200 Rand monthly subscription. 200 Rand. It was always 240. I brought that down to 200 Rand to get a little bit market related so that I can fit the pockets of those who are really, really struggling. But you can come in at 150, and that is where you get the 150, and the 200 is the startup of 350 Rand. It is those two items combined. Risk-free. 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. Okay, that is it. But you first get that 7-day free trial period. So once you finish those 7 days, then you need to decide, am I just going to go for the license fee? I've got a lot of people. I've got hairdressers, I've got photographers, I've got personal trainers, I've got so many nail technicians, so many different people using the One For Me business page just for their business. It is an awesome product. People love it. Then you can upgrade to Pro. Okay, bonuses. Once you start, at the moment you start, when you pay that lifetime license, let's say you decide you're just going to go for 150 Rand, you're already in the money. You can already start making money right from the word go. There's the quick start bonuses. So for every single 150 Rand that gets sold or that gets purchased, that gets activated, the person who did the personal referral gets 50 Rand commission paid to them out of that 150 Rand. Then the person who have introduced them, so one level up gets paid 25 Rand. So for two levels, on the first level 50, one level up 25 Rand gets paid back to people. Okay, so that is an awesome and incredible. For 150 Rand, you can already get started, get other people in, let them purchase a lifetime license activation, you get 50 bucks. There, that is as simple as that. They go and they introduce people, they will get 50 bucks and you'll get 25. As simple as that. You don't even have to be pro to do that. Then you can upgrade to pro. Pro plugs into the monthly residual income where you can build your network, your team, your matrix. You can build that and you can start generating a passive income that will pay you monthly, monthly, monthly. Okay, now that I'm talking about monthly, let's talk about the Pro Wallet. The Pro Wallet, you can draw the money from your Pro Wallet at any given time as long as the balance is not less than 160 Rand. Anything over 160 Rand, you'll be able to draw that money with a 10 Rand transaction fee. There is no monthly debit order, so I do not run a debit order on your card or on your bank account. You have to manage your wallet yourself every single month. You need to go in and you need to check, do I need to top up my wallet? Because if your wallet is in a positive, zero and positive, you're active. That is your state. At the end of each cycle, 200 Rand gets debited to your wallet. Your wallet, whatever the balance is, will then be minus 200. So if you were on 50 Rand, minus 200, that's minus 150. If you go into the next cycle with a negative balance, you are in grace period. You then have to top up your wallet with 150 Rand to bring it back to a zero balance. Then you're back active. If you leave it and you do not top up, and the end of that cycle runs again, debit another 200 Rand, which is your monthly subscription for Pro. If your wallet then goes to further than negative 200, so now it'll be minus 150 plus 2, that's 350. You immediately go inactive, and not just that, you get taken out of the matrix. Okay, and then that means if you want to come back in again, you're going to have to start wherever the next available position is open because of a concept of compression that I'm using. I'm building compression every single month. Now, not many companies compress on a binary matrix every single month, but I do. Every single month I compress. So when there are gaps up above created by inactive people, only pros go and sit in the matrix. If you're inactive, you get taken out of the matrix. Okay, let's move on. So when you register, you will get to this activation page. Once you've put on your username, your email address, your cell phone number, your password, and you go into the system, it'll take you to the back end, and then there will be a button that says Activate Pro or Go Pro. You click on that button, and it's going to take you to this page. This page, then you have to say, okay, I want to use the promo. Otherwise, you're going to have to pay that 600 Rand for the lifetime activation, plus another 200, that's 800 Rand if you want to go pro, if you want to use the combination. Okay. But if you apply the promo code, you just click that button there. So then it will use the person who referred you, it'll use their username as the promo code. And then you just click on apply the promo code and bang bang along, net so. It will apply 75% discount. You only have to pay 150 lifetime activation and then the 200 Rand. If you want to come in with all of it, 350 Rand. That's it. 350 Rand, that'll change the rest of your life. Okay, why do people do this? I sent out a poll earlier and I asked, why do you join network marketing companies? Just for interest sake, let me know why. And this is what came back. I want to make extra money. That was right at the top. And right in the middle there somewhere, I love the products, which is important because the products are important. If you don't have a product that adds value, it is not going to work. People are not going to buy it. People are not going to enjoy using it. People are not going to be able to refer it because there's too many scams out there. Too many people don't like another scam. So if you're just going to come and say, listen, I've got an opportunity for you to make money. Oh, I promise you that is the 150th, thousandth time that that person has heard that. But if you can add value, and that's where the product comes in. If you can show them, look at how much value this product adds to my business. Now you're talking another kettle of fish. Now it's totally a different ball game. Now you can say, check, I can help you increase your business, help you enhance your business, whatever you're busy with an income generating product, a tool. Come on, guys, let's not work harder, let's work smarter. Okay, so let's look at the ways how we can make money. Lifetime license activation fee. The lifetime license activation fee, 150 Rand. I'm just kind of repeating and going over this. Direct personal referrals, there's a once-off referral bonus. 50 Rand for direct, 25 Rand for indirect. This gets paid directly to your Pro wallet. It is available immediately. It doesn't get added to the matrix amount. The matrix amount only pays out every cycle, so once a month. The license activation, the once-off referral bonus gets immediately paid to your wallet. And as your wallet increases, you can use that money for next month's subscription fee, or you can withdraw it. As soon as you can withdraw it. As soon as it's over 160 Rand. And non-pro also eligible. So you don't have to be pro. Obviously, pros enjoy in this. It is part of what pros also get. Pros get everything in the lesser version and more. But this is, you don't have to be pro to enjoy this. Okay, now let's go over to the pro binary matrix. Once you go pro, besides all the pro features that you will be enjoying in the system, you now join the the matrix. You now join the network marketing component of One4Me, where you are able to build a team, build a network, build your matrix. The matrix is a 2 by 12, two underneath you. So you only got two spots underneath you. Once those two spots are filled, what happens? Spillover. Everybody loves that word, spillover. Okay, it means that your network can grow with or without your direct effort. So, with the effort of leaders above you, your network can grow. Okay, so we've also got first in first position. As I'm going to build this and as this matrix is going to get started, I'm going to show you exactly how this matrix gets built. And every time when a new person gets in, how does the system allocate that person? I'm going to show you now. Okay, so One4Me also, it was 240 Rand a month, now 200 Rand. Okay, monthly subscription. On your first level, those first two people, whether you have brought them in or whether they are there due to spillover, you earn 25 Rand each. That's 50 bucks. So when your first line spots are filled, you already have 50 Rand going into your wallet, which means that if nothing else happens, you already have a discount of 50 Rand on your monthly top up for your monthly subscription, which means you only have to top up with 150 Rand. Already it's less. That 200 Rand has already come less. Even without you doing anything, you've just got those two spots filled. Okay. Let me quickly show you how the matrix fills up. So let's say you come in. I've got a small little line around those who personally gets introduced, but you don't bring anybody in. It fills in spot number one, then spot number two. Then that first line is full. Now it goes to the next line. What does it do? It fills in spot number one, Then it comes back. Spot number two. That is a personal referral. So that person brought in a person directly underneath him, someone they personally brought in. What does the system do with the next person that comes in from above spillover? Poof, fills out spot number two because that was the empty spot. What does it do? It sees that spot number one is filled up already of that one person. Bam, it goes over spot number one, spot number one. That person brings in another one. His spot number two is filled. Bam, spot number one. Now that line, spot number ones are filled. Now the system goes and it looks for the next available spot, which is spot number two on that line. The first person, spot number two, is filled up. Boof, the system fills out spot number two, spot number two, spot number two. And that's how it carries on. One, 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 and then two, 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 two. When I started building the matrix, I saw that this was a very important concept. It builds a balanced matrix. In the beginning, I first did 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and moved over all the way on that line. And what I realized is that the matrix becomes one-sided heavy. It takes too long to start filling people underneath people on one side of the matrix. So I've then researched and I came up with this: fill up all the spot number ones and then go back, fill up all the spot number twos, all the spot number ones. It builds a balanced matrix. Okay. And it gives everybody a fair opportunity to enjoy in spillover. Let's have a look at some of the money making opportunities. How do you make money with One For Me? Okay. When you go when you upgrade to Pro, immediately you are rank one. Straight away. What do you get when you are rank one? So, first of all, you get paid all the way to level 6. From level 1 to level 6 is unlocked. Now remember, level 1 has got two people that earns 25 Rand each. So that's 50 Rand for you on level 1. I need to scoot over a little bit so that we can see that. Okay. All the way down to level 6. You earn 2 Rand for every single person, whether you do anything or not. That is 126 people. If you look at this little cell over here, you'll see there 126 people in total. Now, some people ask me, how long does it take before my matrix is filled up? I don't know. All I know is it takes 126 people to fill up the matrix. Hello. I've got someone drawing here. Let me just quickly clear that up. Cool. Okay, I don't know how long that's going to take. If we're aiming at having 1,000 people join One For Me by the end of December, then that is a couple of hundreds. Okay, so a couple of matrices will be filled up to that level when we go over to there. So that is rank one. All the way to level 6, you will earn 2 Rand for every single person. Now, you want to just double up. Let's say you are filled up. You want to start making more money. You don't want to be capped at 298 Rand a month. This pays for my monthly subscription and there's a little bit of pocket money. Awesome, it's lekker, but that is not what I'm here for. I want to earn more. You rank up to rank 2. When you rank up to rank 2, that means that you've got 2 pros, only 2 people that you have personally introduced directly underneath you. Bam. 4 Rand for every single person and level 7 is unlocked. So you earn 4 Rand for every single person. Your earning capacity has now increased to 1,058 Rand. So now you can earn easily 1,058 Rand. Enjoying spillover, all you have done is you have brought in 2 people. 2 people, you alone. Because you are depending on your leaders. You are depending on people above you for spillover. The other day I watched an awesome TikTok video. Are you a spillover creator or are you a spillover waiter? Okay, just hold on. I'll get back to that question. I'll answer all the questions right at the end. Okay, then we've got rank. I'm going to skip a couple of ranks. Let's go to rank 4. So rank 4 opens up all the way to level 9. Okay, rank 3 opens to level 8, rank 4 level 9. Rank 3, everybody now all of a sudden increases to 6 rand. Rank 4, everybody increases to 10 rand all the way to level 9. All you need to do is get 4 people in. Introduce 4 pros. That is a total of only 1,022 people. And your earning capacity is 10,250 people. All you've done is you brought in 4 people and spillover is coming in. Let me answer this question quickly. I can answer it now. So Lynn is asking, she signed up directly underneath the company. A lot of people have signed up directly underneath the company, and that already answers your question. A lot of people sign up directly underneath the company because I promote the company as well. I promote it, and a lot of people sign up, and that creates spillover. So as people come in and they join underneath the company, those people are placed in the matrix. So the company itself creates spillover as well. So I hope that answers your question there. Okay, let's move on. Then we have all the way, now we have our leadership ranks, ranks 5, 6, and 7. This is where you have your 4 pros, at least 4 pros who've got 2 pros underneath them, 4 pros underneath them, and rank 7 is 6 pros with 4 pros underneath them. But then you unlock all the way down to level 12 in rank 7. You now have a capacity of 8,000 people in the network that you can earn 20 Rand off of. You can earn anything up to 163,000 Rand a month. And that is what you can do. That is what you can earn with One For Me. That is what you can become a part of. Let's quickly have a look at here. What's happening here? You are not just joining a company. You are positioning yourself at the start of an economic wave. Now, every single company that makes it has a period just before they hit the wave. Okay, that increase that just exponentially just goes up. Now we are positioned before that. This company is brand new, brand stinking new. Not many people have heard of One For Me. We are still here. We haven't even reached the bottom of this crest going up. But as we hit this, there's always a time when the company just the growth slows down and it's just small. The growth is just a small little growth that moves up just a little bit. But that's my job is to find the next thing that's going to whoop, build the next wave. Build the next wave. Okay? And I don't know, but geez, before we're going to hit here, our international friends are knocking on the door. They want to come in. They want to start using One For Me. And as soon as I've got the system ready to accommodate our international friends, we're going to go international. It's on the cards. It's going to happen. There's no two ways about it. The only question is, are you going to be positioned before we get there in this matrix or not? Okay. Then this is one of those rare times where speed equals strategy. Join early, position early, benefit early. The binary matrix positioning creates urgency because timing matters. Guys, this is low risk, high reward. Brand new people, 350. If you haven't registered yet, 350. If you have registered, you just need to upgrade to Pro. If you have a One For Me account and you're not Pro, just upgrade to Pro. And there we go. That's it. We have someone who just now recently, today, registered and upgraded to a Pro. And you know what? I can tell you now why that person is upgraded Pro. Well, I don't know why. Maybe if she's on the course, she can tell us. But someone underneath her went Pro. And her wallet, whether she was Pro or not, just went boop, 50 Rand. There we go. You got 50 Rand in your wallet. You know, whether you like it or not, someone underneath you went Pro or upgraded or registered or whatever. I think she then logged in and saw, hey, listen here, if I don't take advantage of this, I'm going to lose out. 200 Rand, poof. And she's right where she belongs. The best time to join was yesterday, but the second best time is to join before I finish this presentation. So what this really means is you're setting yourselves up for a powerful December, momentum going into January, a zero January month, and a matrix position that only gets more valuable as the company grows. So think about that. Positioning now only strengthens. Your position now in the matrix only strengthens as the company grows. Okay, fantastic. Now there's only one more thing to ask. I've got one for me. Do you? Thank you very much, everybody. That concludes our presentation. I'm going to stop that.